Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I'm going to take a look at this lock that I got from Westcoastpicks. It's a GeGe, and it is from Mr. Pete Restall over in the UK. And it works really good, really smooth. And he's got set screws in there, and he did a really good job on that. It's got a Yale keyway, but where's my pick? We can actually get a full-size pick, well, 23 thousandths pick, all the way from the bottom of the keyway to the top. So that's good for me. That's probably what I'll do. And yeah, let's just see if we can get into this. I've only picked it one other time, and it was quite a while back, actually, the second day after I got the package. And I'm quite out of practice, so already making excuses. But no, we'll see what we can do and finally have a look inside. I'm kind of curious to see what's in here. Really unique pick. Really seems like there's always only one pin binding at a time. It seems like a pretty precise lock, which I believe GeGes are built to pretty good specs, pretty tight tolerances. So 31 thousandths pry bar, I believe. Wish I had a 40. Back when I got this stuff, Sparrows didn't have the 40 thousandths in the kit. At least my kit didn't have it. So 6-pin number 5 is binding. Nice click out of him. Hope everything looks alright, guys. I'm still kind of experimenting with the lighting and stuff. This app that I'm using allows me to manual focus, which if I wasn't able to do that, I wouldn't even be able to use it. The autofocus on this on most of these cameras kind of sucks. And yeah, the app I'm using you can lock the exposure, and so it's not changing the color all the time, basically. And I'm still kind of experimenting with what looks the best, so. So a few clicks here and there. Like I said, there's really not much binding at any given time. Which leaves you no question about what needs to be picked, I guess. Nice 2 clicks out of number 2, I believe it was. Might have overset something. Everything feels weird. Oh. Oh, there we go. Nice deep falset. So we're on the right track. Oh. And I touched, I think it was 6, which opened us up, so probably a T-pin. In fact, I'm gonna bet on a T-pin in number 6 or 5. I think it's 6. So we'll check that out. Alrighty, so there we go. Put that down there. Refocus. That looks alright. And what do we need? Probably clip remover and Westcoastpicks beautiful pinning tray. Thanks again, buddy. Ooh. Wow. So I'm going to lock this up since we have a key. Wow. Pretty awkward. It'll take longer to take this clip off than it did to pick the lock. Oh, God. Let me try my pliers. I should have did that first. Shot right in my chest. Little pinch. Okay. So we got that. Let's grab the key. Definitely gonna shim it. Beautiful. And there we go. Everything nicely to shear. There we go. Still fighting with that focus. Let's check these out. One is serrated. 2 looks like a spool. 3 is serrated. I'll give you a closer look in a second, guys. 4 is serrated. 5 standard, as well as 6. Now, curious to see what's up top. Okay, I think those are... I've never really seen these before. Well, only on video. And I believe they're GeGe commercial drivers. They're pretty nice. And depending how deep your key pin is, you could be feeling each one of those little serrations or spooling. So, I don't know that this is a challenge lock, but it was challenging. All standard GeGe, oopsie doodle. Standard GeGe drivers. Oh, I guess I'm wrong about that. Because we have a pin and pin. And I believe it was in like that. Or sorry, no, it wouldn't have been in. It would have been in like this, because it opened on a T-pin. I hate not seeing the way things come out. And all the springs look the same. Actually, I'm going to put these back in. There we go. I'll do this one after. So yeah, we have all serrateds in the bottom, as you can see. Little spooling on number 2 there. And up top, I believe these are standard GeGe drivers. I'm sure someone will let me know. And yeah, standard GeGe drivers 1 through 5, and this nice pin and pin T-pin in number 6 here. You get the idea. Really fun lock to pick. Thanks for sending it to me, Westcoastpicks. And everyone else, thanks for watching. And as always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Don't pick anything that you don't have permission to pick. And see you guys on the next one. Take care.